Sorry about that. I had a minor fire in the other room. Gotta watch that sage. I saged before I sat down, and a little ember landed on a white t-shirt, and the white t-shirt was like this. I'm glad I smelt it. I'm glad it wasn't a Gucci shirt. And it's funny because I just got a fire extinguisher the other day, like I sensed something like that was coming. Looks pretty solid. Ace high at the start of the day. We got another high at the end of the day. I would have thought we'd see more of a move to the upside though. And I want to see how this strength card went, because like I mentioned before, the strength card's a little difficult to read in this scenario. Yeah, I mean, I guess opening up that short position would have been a wise move. Erratic behavior back and forth. Interesting. Where's this art card? We got the art card there. Okay, so art card here. And then we have the Queen of Wands. Breaks through horizontal resistance, meets secondary resistance, and then pulls back to somewhere between those two price levels. We should see sideways fluctuations bumping up against resistance here. I still haven't mastered what this ruin means when it's indicating like a sideways thing like this. I know what it means when it's pointing up and down. That's pretty obvious. When it moves sideways, it's like, or when it's pointing sideways, or even more so when it's pointing backwards. I haven't figured it out yet. Hey, Lude. I mean, the winter's got to do what it's got to do over there, but I could probably get you like one warm day, like one. How about tomorrow? Let's make tomorrow warmer than normal. Let me know how tomorrow goes weather-wise. Man, I might have these chapped lips, and the cat that's staying here keeps stealing my damn chapstick. That's why my lips keep getting chapped. Come on, my man. Where'd you put my chapstick? See, I worked that fast. Nah, I bet you it'll be sunnier than you expect tomorrow. What's up, Griffin? You want some pets? You gonna come on my shoulder? This cat's like a bird. It's like a parrot. Yep, there you go. There you go. You're like a little parrot. Excuse the little cat butt in your face, guys. This cat has like no boundaries whatsoever. It has like stray cat behavior. Like whenever there's food or even like the thought of food, the cat is there like instantaneously. You can't turn your back for a second. It's like in the whatever you were doing. This is the cat of cats. Fire doesn't correlate to buy, it correlates to bullish, but not necessarily to buy. It depends on the card. But yeah, the element of fire is mostly bullish for the most part. There's other elements within the elements, so some cards are more bullish than others. I'm getting into space on the 4th. CHPT, huh? I'm probably gonna cut this live short, guys, so I can get back to these final January readings. I want to get them out no later than tomorrow, obviously. I got I got the Tesla one coming out, and I got a couple of orders that were paid orders, so the public versions will be coming out as well. Flux and Internet Computer, ICP. CHPT. Electric vehicle infrastructure. Interesting. Ooh, and it's right in that sweet spot at the $10, almost at the $10 mark, which is a sweet spot. Between $10 and $20 is a sweet spot for growth stocks, if you didn't know. At least that's what they say, guys. What you want, kitty? You want to come back on the shoulder? Okay, go. Be a good kitty. Be a good kitty. You know, you gotta put your legs there yourself. I'm not gonna hold you there. It's like a parrot. You're like a parrot, you know? Where you going? Alright, you already broke my nicest water pitcher. Can you not break more stuff, please? Griffin, what are you doing? That's not for you. Knocking my crystals on the floor. Hey, what are you doing? Get down here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good kitty. Good kitty. Don't be a troublemaker, alright? Yeah, this is Griffin. I watch pets on the side. It's actually really good money when you live in the Upper East Side of Manhattan to board animals at your place. It's like $75 a night for an animal to stay at my place, so it's pretty solid money on the side, you know. Pocket change. I get paid to have pets, temporary pets, and I don't have to like have the expenses of them. I have my dog, but other than that, I wanted a cat. But what's better than having a cat is watching other people's cats, as long as they're not pain in the ass cats. There was a cat that just left that was so cool. He was like the Big Lebowski of cats. This one is like so high maintenance.
You are too much, you know. You are too much. You are high maintenance. You are a high maintenance kitty. You could just sit here all day, huh? You could just sit here all day. You little prince. Okay.
Yeah, it's each suit is the wand suit is fire, the cup suit is water, right? The swords is air, and discs is earth. So the cup suit is all, and water is about contraction and decline, but not every cups card is just a decline card, because depending on which card you're looking at in the suit, it'll have like the other elements in it. It's a really cool cat. It feels like suede.
You feel like suede, you know?
You're gonna bite me, aren't you? Because I'm not letting you do what you want to do.
Are you gonna bite me?
Yeah, you're gonna bite me. I know you. I'm very good with animals. I kind of, the way I can intuit what people are thinking. Animals say a lot just by their body language. My dog has words with body language.
Right, Hermes? What you want? What you want? You want to go outside? Yeah? Well, after this, we'll go outside, buddy. Not right now, after this, okay? Like we always do.
Oh, that's cool. Not many outdoor cats, like pet cats out here. If you see a cat out on the street, it's a wild cat, and you hardly ever see that. I don't think I see cats out on the street in New York. But, yeah, they would get, run over way fast. You know, the life expectancy of an indoor cat is, 7 times longer. Well, 1, 2, 3, 5 times longer than an outdoor cat. An indoor cat's life is. Matter of fact, the window behind me, I had a cat that lived for 24 years, and when it was just an 8-week-old kitten, it fell out of this window and landed 7 stories down in one of those bushes that you shape with prunes, to be in different shapes of things. And I wasn't home. My father was walking by the building outside, directly below us. You walk past our window, 7 stories down, and the cat's sitting there on the windowsill, meowing, and my dad looks at it and he says, "Bachi?" And he goes, "Meow, meow, 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 meow." He somehow survived a 7-story drop into a bush. He wasn't impaled, he didn't break anything, he was completely fine. And then he lived for 24 years. Cats are crazy. Cats are just they're out of this world.
Right, little guy?
He's like, "Don't bother me, man, with your simpleton things." I train my cats to use the toilet as well. It's a completely different experience to own a cat when it doesn't need litter. Most people don't know this experience, but it's having a fish with a tank. Having to clean the tank makes a fish more work than having a cat that uses the toilet. You just put some food down, pet it when it wants, not when you want, when it wants, and you flush the toilet. That's it. That's a cat that uses the toilet. Yeah, see, and we're still in the Dominion energy, so you can see these price swings here. This is Dominion energy here. Dominion midday price swings. We had abundance at the beginning of the day. There's abundance. We had abundance near the low. See that's the low, right? We have a selling from a crest down to and through a support level, and then we do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse it as support. Right here, off of a crest, down to and through support, do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse that support as support. I mean, you can't go wrong with this stuff, guys.
Where are you going, mister? There's cords back there. You're not allowed back there.
I'm surprised he hasn't started a fire with one of my candles. Yeah, normally, Philip, I wouldn't purchase, like, I wouldn't plan to, like, open up a position of any kind during retrograde, but the timing of the SPC buy-in opportunity is right smack in the middle of it. But the thing is I planned this well before retrograde started, so I'm not going to deviate from the plan. The plan is to buy it on the 4th. I believe it was my December reading where it was at $5. Might have been my November reading. I don't remember. It was November or December. I said it's at $5. I did a Q&A looking for price levels, and it said it was going into the 3s and to buy in the 3s, and that's where we are in the 3s now. Matter of fact, I got to make sure I remember to transfer that money. Yeah, because that's going to be a big move, guys. Don't miss out on the SPC. Yeah, see, we got these sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend. There's a decline through support that we recently broke through. We broke through it there. We come back, we break through it again. And then we have this sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend bumping up against resistance, high at the close. And we probably have a little bit of a decline after the... Well, maybe not. That's what that decline is right there. There's a decline. This is like what? $320-ish. That's about the right time. Looks like an opportunity to short again. I don't advise trading, but if you're going to, in the midst of this rally here, like mid-morning rally, there's a bit of an opportunity to open up a short. I don't know if I would do that though. It's interesting. It correlates to the Ace of Wands. I wouldn't do it. And then there's opportunity to protect again towards the end of the day, and Ace of Wands energy again at the end of the day. That's the move that I'm looking for. Here we go. Okay, that's what I was expecting. Okay. This is us pushing the upper end of a range now. And so the strength card opened us lower. Interesting. Man, that strength card is really not easy to read as a sneak preview card. Oh, thanks for reminding me. So I wanted to do a paper trade. Guys, if you don't keep a trading journal, this is one of the best ways for you to learn how to trade. What Philip's talking about is paper trading. It's like trading without real money. But even when you use real money, you should still keep a trading journal. Like there's no better way to learn about yourself and how you do something and how you interact with a certain situation and whatever. There's no way to develop yourself better than with a journal. All right, so I should have done it yesterday, but we'll still go with it. I'm gonna buy 380 calls that expire at the end of January. I'm doing a paper trade here, guys. They're 1025. Expire on the 27th. I'm also buying puts that expire out in mid-February. And I'm buying out of the money puts here. We're gonna buy maybe I won't do it out that far. I'm thinking it's just it's really just no, I really should. I'm gonna buy one just as like a safety net in case this is one of the cases where we can continue to go down instead of to open instead of do like a reversal. 783. So what I've got, guys, right now. Okay, so in my paper trade, I bought 380. 380 calls that expire on the 27th of January. All right, and then I bought February 10th expiration puts that are out of the money, 375. They're really there in case like we were to go the opposite direction. What I'm expecting is that it'll depreciate and that the calls that I purchase will appreciate. And what I'll do is at one point double down on the put and gain back some of that loss. I'm expecting us to go here, right? On the 18th, I'll sell. The plan is to sell the calls, double down on the puts, buy a put at the money, and hold that, and then sell all the puts here on the 7th. That's the plan. So got it in the book. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it does. You should follow me on Webull, FYI. There's the investor profit on Webull. I haven't posted on there in a while because it's kind of a pain in the ass to like copy and paste, send to my phone, then copy and paste on my phone and put into a Webull thing. Like, you know, plus I haven't been trading, so I haven't been on there, but I do have a profile on there. I think there's like 100 followers. It's the investor profit on there. Or invest profit. Something like that. Hey, Raymond. I really wouldn't advise to trade next week, Raymond, just because it's Mercury retrograde. I try not to advise to trade because it's really bad timing for trading, my friend. Are you insisting on trading, or are you gonna take a break as suggested? If you're insisting on trading, I'll look into it, but it's ill-advised. Yeah, you could probably buy like a put now. You could buy a put now and sell the put. See, there's that ace of discs. Revisiting a support. You could probably sell the put on 4th, 5th. The end of the bullish trend on the 5th, on the 1 year end of the bullish trend early in January, and that's the end of the bullish trend at a high, so that's pretty significant with the Magus card too. It's really tricky, Raymond. I don't know. Like it looks like there's an opportunity to open up a short position now, but I'm not seeing an exit point really. Probably wait till tomorrow. Till Monday. At the open, there's a price level that's kind of like a good midpoint. Let's see if I can log in or if I have to like remember my password. Crap, I don't remember my password. Oh, I got it. Nice. Okay, so my handle is Investor Profit. It's just Investor Profit. 278 posts. I should start posting on here again. I mean, I haven't looked at my paper trading account in so long. My paper trading account was like up 300%. Like, just from like shorting and stuff too. Let me see if I still got it. Oh man. I'm down $373,000 today, but it's still up. Oh wait, no, I'm up 10,000. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm up. It's 2,700,000 on my paper trading account. It started with $1 million, but I haven't messed with it in a while. It's definitely depreciated. It was like 3 million something. Wow, it was actually almost 4.5 million at one point. I wonder if I have like some like triple inverse thing in here. No. I'll probably start a new one for 2023. That's a good idea. Cool. That's probably the best bet, man. Raymond, could you go over the 3rd for January? I can't believe it's going to be a new year next time we talk. Yeah, the 3rd. Yeah, it's looking like a decline day. We have a resistance level in the pre-market that'll be a good mean point for straddle strangle kind of price level. Volatility right around the open and there'll be a little bit of a rally there, but a sharp drop through key support ending that rally, and then after that drop we have a notable move higher. There's an opportunity in that move higher. We'll establish support and then move higher and establish support at a higher level, at least temporarily, somewhere here before 1 o'clock. Like between like 10 and 1 o'clock, somewhere in there, and then we'll sell from a crest. But in the midst of that move higher is when we establish new support. That correlates to the Ace of Wands, which would be an opportunity to open up a short position. Looks like probably close it at the end of the day. There's also another opportunity here to open up a short position. But again, guys, I wouldn't trade. I really wouldn't trade. It's just there's so many things that could go awry on Mercury retrograde. I generally give back all my gains if I trade on retrograde. Like I make a bunch of gains in the pre-shadow because I know about the volatility, and then if I try to trade through retrograde, I end up giving back all those gains and some usually, due to like stupid errors and stuff like that for the most part. Sometimes I'm just wrong. I mean, it happens. Rarely. So guys, we're like, how close are we here? I want to see something. We need 17 more subscribers to hit that $1,000 subscriber mark. 17 more subscribers. If everybody went out and shared right now this live stream, we might pick up a new subscriber or two. All right, guys, I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna get on those last January readings, and when I see you guys next, it'll be the new year. So everybody have a happy new year. Make sure you make it a good year and you spread that wealth forward to the world, my friends. Like, pay it forward, and like every time you pay it forward, you're setting up your future for an even better version. Like it just works that way, guys. It's the golden rule. They don't call it the golden rule for nothing. I promise you, it's like the most magical law of the universe. Just follow the golden rule. Forget what you're afraid of. Forget what you think is going to happen. Do what you know to be right. Treat people the way you want to be treated, and the universe will open up doors you didn't know existed. It's just the way it works, my friends. So with that said, have a happy new year. Blessings, and I'll see you